Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you a 2018 Sea Ray 350 SLX. Hate to call this a used boat, it's only got 34 hours on it, but it is pre-owned so you can save a lot of money. Let me show you some really cool things about this boat. First of all, it does have the MerCruiser joystick control, twin 350 horsepower engines. It's a 6.2 liter. What I like about that, it's a whole lot lighter weight than 8.2 liters, so the upholstery on this boat is phenomenal. Notice it's got full teak on the swim platform, the walk-through, the entire cockpit of the boat is real teak, so it's got that nice nautical look. Back on the back deck, it does have this sun lounge, so you can flip it down. It's nice and clean when it's time to leave the boat, but when you're anchored out and kids are swimming and playing back here in the back, look at that. Awesome, comfortable lounge. This boat also does have the hydraulic swim step, so when you get anchored out, you can hit a button, lower that swim step down into the water. You got a nice place to sit, or an easy way to climb back up into the boat. Let's make our way forward. So the cockpit of this 350 SLX is huge. This is for seating lots of people. I love the U-shaped seating. This companion seat can rotate around so everybody is here together. There's a table that goes in here, so you got a nice table too. If it's time to cook some burgers or hot dogs or steaks or chicken, you got a Kenya grill right here. Awesome grill, refrigerator for your drinks, nice trash chute right here. Easy spot to always throw your trash. You're not dirty on your boat. I love how big this cockpit is. You get a lot of people in here comfortable. You do have a nice sunroof that opens up. Slides there. Lock in if you want some shade. The sure shades deployed. Man, you probably got 20 feet of shade. So in the summertime, that's what you need. You need shade and a breeze. And that sure shade really does do the job well. Up here at the helm, again, it's got the joystick control, which I love. It also has Skyhook option feature. So if you're anchored somewhere, or if you're pulling up to a gas dock and you're waiting to get your dock lines or fenders out, you hit a button. The engines will use the GPS to hold you in that spot until you're ready to go into the slip or go into the dock. Also has auto heading on it, which is great. Very easy boat to drive, park, maneuver in and out of the slip. Again, the performance with these engines is phenomenal. I love it better than the bigger engines actually. It's just less weight and almost the same horsepower. You got a nice Ray Marine electronics on the dash that gives you your great maps. Also, all the boats, you can control the lighting just by touch screen. You know, whatever you want to control, you touch that section of the boat. So really cool. You can also control the stereo. You do everything from this one screen, either screen. It's awesome. Now, you're on the boat all day and somebody needs to go to the restroom. They did a great job in the head of this boat. Huge, big area. You can get in there and change clothes if you want to, use a restroom, or store a lot of stuff. It's big. But it's nice and clean when that door is closed. You got a nice looking dash. On the passenger side, they did a place to cool off. If you've been in the sun for too long, and if you've gotten hot, you can step down below with the air conditioner. It has an inverter system, so when you're out on the water, you can use your extra batteries to cool off that compartment. Run the TV down there, put in the filler cushion. Real nice place to come cool off. When you're at the docks, it's all powered by your shore power. Okay, let's go up to the bow of the boat. Nice big bow. Again, it's all about people. Get a lot of people up here. Plenty of seating, good armrests, good grab handles. There's also a windlass that's hidden down below. It's nice and clean. Access to it's here and there. Remote spotlight. Very comfortable day boat. If you're in the market for a boat like this,